Hello colleagues, for today's video I'm going to show you basically a simple way on how to deploy any local WordPress site on OpenShift. So make sure you pay attention, you're going to find it very interesting. So for the overview page, this is the website I created. This site deals with business. You say deals with watches, shows, shirts, caps, just a business website. So I'm going to deploy this site on OpenShift. So before going there, I have to go down under my platform. As you see, this is my dashboard here. I have to search for a plugin called All-in-One WordPress. So you're going to type for All-in-One, and this is here. You're going to see the All-in-One WordPress migration with this lovely icon. As you can see, you have to download this plugin here. You make sure you install it and activate it. And once you have done that, you're going to come under it, click on it. You're going to see the page, and then now you have to download it. You have to create an export file for this server to run. So this is it here. It has given me an estimate of 1,000 megabyte for all this lovely data I created here. As it's already have it, no need for me to download it again. But for you, you have to click on it to download it. Simply close this page. Then I simply go now under my connection. I click on the OpenShift platform. So when you click on it, this is the page here. You can sign up for a free account. But since I already have one, I click on my account and an OpenShift online profile. Second profile. So once you're here, you follow on green red hat. So on this page, you can sign in either your Gmail account, link, Twitter, Stapover, or you can simply go and register for one. But since I already have one, I will simply register in my email. This is what I'm doing. And here, this is my console that's open. I'm using the free version, so it comes with limited storage. This is 1 GB RAM, and you can go in for a new plan. That is the pro version. That one comes with a higher storage. So I click on my web console. So for it to get started, you have to create a new project. I click on the create project. I give a name for this project. Maybe you can call it the WordPress. The display name my WordPress site. Click on create. So when you have created this, you click under this project. You're going to find this is a platform here. For now, there's nothing there because I haven't created anything on it. You click on browse catalog. Now, since we're running a WordPress site, we need PHP and MySQL. So the first thing to install first of all is my SQL assistant. Take my SQL assistant, click on the next, and here we're going to now try to adjust some settings. So you come under my SQL username, put WordPress, password, call it WordPress, root password is still WordPress, and the sample database name is still call it WordPress. So after doing this, I can either increase my volume, but since I'm in a free version, no need for me to do that. You can go down for a lower version, but it's not going to run. The minimum recommended version is 1 GB. Click on create. So this is it here. If you find a red message, it means that you surely missed out a setting. But since it's a green tab, it's okay. You can now free to go. Click on that create. Continue to project overview. Then once we're here, we're going to set our first port. This is my SQL port that we first of all created. And now I have to link this my SQL to PHP. Click on the add project. Then browse catalog. Then once under the catalog, you find for PHP and this is here. I click on the PHP, click on next. So here it is. I have to put down my application name, which is WordPress what I'm doing. Again position. To get here, it is quite simple. You simply go under your browser, type here GitHub, /WordPress. Copy this link. So once the page opens to you, scroll down under WordPress. Take this option WordPress here, click on that Chrome download. Copy this download link, copy this, and you copy this link, come and paste it under your get repository here. Paste it here. Moreover, you can go for advanced option. If you are actually working on a site that you want to publish and you're expecting more traffic, you can go to advanced option and touch some settings. Then rather from here, you're going to any comment to do, you have to go directly to your content and modify it, which you're going to find out later. So this is it here. You continue to page overview. So now like this, as you see, we already have my SQL and my WordPress site located here. So you can expand this, click to expand this, and now you're going to see the deployment. For now, no one is still going on. You can go on to view on the full catalog. So now you can see here, it is done on WordPress site. And you have to wait for the spelling to reach 100% before you can do any other work necessary. So once we're done the cleaning of our data, here's it here, which is successful. Now we can go back on the overview page. And from here, basically, when you're running or maybe a live website, you need enough storage for you to purchase your data, all these things. So you can either go under the storage plan. But when I come here, as you can see, I have no other quota because I don't use all my space. There's no quota, so I can't create a new storage. Since it's with the free plan, it only comes with 1 GB, and I've already used everything to create my SQL and my WordPress site. So I'll leave this option now and go back to our new page. And from here, these are my 2 codes. You can either create a route for my SQL to link with WordPress, and we shall do that later. And now let's go to our pod. And I'm going to work under our terminals. So to do that, you come under your terminals here like this. So to get started, you click cd wp content. Here's to integrate all this WordPress site into one. So ls, simple ls, just to make a directory for the updates, for uploads, themes, and plugins. So when I verify that, I still have the index, plugins, and themes. But if you don't have them and you're interested in making it, you click on make directory for, let's say, themes. That's how you make for themes. You type plugins and uploads for them. So that's how you make directories. Okay. Now I've made a directory for upload since I do not have upload page. So after doing this, I'll simply insert them now. That is cd to load. And then from there, I click on vi, that is my wp config / sample .php. Okay. So now as you can see, this template here, I have to modify something since we're actually running my SQL persistent. So I have to add some text. So to insert some text, we're going to go under the name of the database. Is it here? Under here, I'm going to define. So follow up and watch what I'm doing. fs underscore method direct and close back. That's it. And then close all this text. So after doing this, let's log in. Add for data everything. So this is it. We already have our content created, our WordPress integrated, index, plugins, uploads, and our sample page will be available. So once you're ready through this, you go back under our view page, and at this page here, we're going to see this our URL for our WordPress which we're creating. So you click on it. You're going to come under the initial WordPress page. Click on let's go, Here, the database name, you have to modify all of this. WordPress, you modify to WordPress, which you created. Password is WordPress that we created. Localhost to verify it. Come back here on the application services. Take my SQL services. Just open it, copy this host name here, copy this, and you can set it here. After doing that, click on submit. Now you run the installation. So when you run this installation now, see there's some error, but now it has been corrected. You're going to see now, you're going to receive now the welcome page. In which here you can modify the site title, the username, the password. Username, since I'm CGP, I give admin, and the password. Something with finish. Confirm with password, then I insert my email. Then I click on install WordPress. So as you can see now, we have our username and our password. Click on login. So now insert now my login details, the password, and there's it here. So as you can see, this is our normal deploy WordPress site, waiting for us now to import our data. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and install this plugin that is all in one migration to now import this data which I backup. So I'm going to do now like this. So as you can see, after installing all in one WordPress now, and this is my deploy WordPress site, I can now import the data which is back of my machine. So I click on under import here, import from a text file, we go under download here like this, and just the backup file, local wish, so I import it, and that's why it's doing all like this. So once through with this importation of the data, you can go back to your permalink settings to either modify anything there. So here you're putting your localhost account, and this is what I'm doing. I'm not the one you created recently. So it's a localhost. So with that, this is the permalink settlers open to you. With there, you just simply have to come out, save these changes. That's all you have to do. Simply save these changes, basically. So after doing that, now you can go back and you review your site. So as you can look at this is our site that we deployed. So look at how cool it is, and this is actual site. The site our local site that wasn't deployed, and this is the one here that we deployed now like this. So you can see the difference between it. Everything is just perfectly the same, no changes. I can come on my setting, my dashboard, I see my contacts, everything is the same here. Same here, my contact was the same. So this is just simply how to deploy a site on OpenShift. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. You can follow by email here, and please subscribe so that we can produce more to help people. Thanks, and have a nice day.